What's up, guys? Welcome. Morning. Morning, morning, morning. Morning glory, morning glory. So, uh, we just woke up. Asian session is about to basically kick in, I think. If it didn't already, let's um, let's do some share screen and let's see what the market wants to do. Let's mark up the charts, right? So we're on the 5 second charts. We had a pullback here, a signal, and this basically is going to play. So right now we monitor this zone for a drop and a pullback around this area. Let's see next. So big downtrend for GBP JPY, and now this other support here, and basically we have our first pullback now, but we will consider it pullback, the first pullback, only if the price goes above here. When the price goes above here and forms another support, then we're gonna take a buy. If we're gonna hit lower, then we're gonna check this zone next for a pullback. But although we are above right now, so we don't like the sells so much. But yeah, first pullback GPJPY as well. Um, let me just share. Uh, where's my link? I need a link. Share. Let's put it in the group. I have two communities out here. Maybe some friends will join. All right, so let's go back. Cool. AUD USD. AUD USD. What do we understand? Downtrend, a little bit smaller uptrend now. Now we're going back to an up downtrend. So good. We have this, which I like zone. This zone I like as well. And we're gonna see for some clear structure. Here's the CAD. Here's the CAD. Okay, we had our first pullback from inside the zone, right? Now we need our second pullback from around here. But now the second pullback is happening already, but I don't like it. But I don't like it. Or at least I missed it. Right? We're gonna keep this lows here. Monitor. Maybe this one we already missed it, but I don't know. We'll see the pullback. What's happening here? I think here it's about to sell. So, or I don't know, at least buy here. So we have a buy signal. We don't know if this is the first pullback until we're gonna respect this zone. If we don't respect this zone, then we go for some sells, and we're gonna check this zone and oops, and this zone. See how the price ranges, but I believe, uh, yeah, we'll go down. We're gonna analyze with higher time frame when we're gonna get an entry. So last support, see last resistance here. First time we trade above is here, right? Cool. But technically we traded here above. So this is the first time. Now we want to trade some more above. We need to break these highs, right? And now we want the second. This is the first pullback and the second pullback here on top of this zone. So unless it's if it's in this zone, I'm not interested in. So NZD USD was up, a little bit choppy, but we are coming from the down position. 1 o'clock we were here, yeah. Then we intended to go on a sell. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock we went up on a buy again. So in the night we moved zones up, right? Cool. We moved zone up. Let's check what the price is doing now. So we rejected, retested here, rejected again down. Now I'm gonna mark up this zone and I'm gonna mark up maybe this zone as well. Is that two close or even three close zones to each other? So I'm gonna mark it up like this and expect the price to go underneath and then retest. Euro GBP, Euro GBP. So we are on a downtrend. We were on an uptrend. 12 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock. We were here, right? So since then we're trading below, and we are on a range. So we don't trade ranges. We wait to go above or below. ADJPY, maybe same like Euro JPY, but we'll see. Okay, so here we have something cleaner. So we wanted to go above. We traded above. We had binary, and now we traded below. So so a good structure for us when we close below and retest. GBP CAD is already running. GBP CAD, we missed it already. So see, we broke and we broke above. See, we broke below, retested, broke again below, retested. So this was the, in my opinion, first entry. So we had this zone and then we had this zone. See, so we broke, retested, broke it, and retested. So I would personally take here, but it's just a hindsight trade for this one. It's already a 1 to 2. It manifested very easily. Hopefully, it's not like bad market structure here. But as long as we drop below this lows, then we drop below this low, then we hit this low and retested this high. So this zone is cool. From here, we dropped, we are sideways, we're exactly in the same place until we went down. When we went down, we basically uh, Okay, but the zone is quite large already, so I don't like this as second pullback. It's already, yeah. So until we break here and then we retest this zone, we don't know nothing. But when we retest this zone, we have here first and second pullback. Euro AUD, I could see like a lot of people are getting trades Euro AUD these days, and we traded above this support, and we had our first pullback. Technically, it's inside the EMA. I like it, and now we need the second one. So we had one after another, but it's in same zone. Should I consider it this one the second? Because we went above here and retested here. What is the 5 minutes telling me? The 5 minutes, we started the buy signal, and the 5 seconds we're still selling. So I'm gonna wait for a buy again in the top zone. I maybe can consider this first pullback, but I don't know yet. I, in my opinion, I can consider it because basically we traded above and then below. So, and the uptrend is here. So this is first pullback. This is second pullback. We're just gonna do a hindsight trade for this one because I'm not sure, but we're gonna target just 1 to 1 and see how it goes after. GBP AUD. See, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now we're trading it above. Now we're gonna monitor this zone. For a buy, you wanna trade it up, downwards, and take it again. Okay, CAD JPY already trending up. First pullback, and now we're going for the second one. EuroCAD already started running. See this one, we went a little bit up. I'm okay with that. We went in straight away, and we never had the second pullback. And the AUD CAD, first pullback here, and the second pullback. This is first. If it trades same here, it's staying first, and we want it down. So okay, let's go see. Let's go see gold. So gold has clear downtrend structure. Break retest. Okay, what is the 5 minutes doing? Selling. So higher time frame might be on a sell. So we are okay more with sells, I guess. But yeah, basically we can think that this one is the first pullback, but then we never have the second one. So we're waiting for the second one. This one is high, but this one is low. So I like this one as first pullback. but I don't like this as second pullback. So yeah, and Bitcoin is selling as well, but we're gonna keep this low and monitor it for potential buys. All right, cool. Let's go back from the beginning. See what moved so far. Sideways, sideways, still sideways, still side. This one went down. Okay, so we went down. We retested this zone. We wanted to go below. We didn't. All right. So we have this big, massive zone now. I'm gonna wait. Okay. We missed this as well. See, that's why it's a bit hard to mark all the charts. So we had a drop, pullback, drop, a pullback. But the pullback, drop, pullback, drop, first pullback, drop, second pullback. Yeah, it looks clean. It looks clean. It's second pullback. If I would have seen it, I would have taken it 100% any time of the day. Already a 1-to-1. All right, Euro GPY. I think we're gonna trend up. Here we're gonna trend down, up, sideways, going up. We're gonna mark up the next zone. Eventually, this one. We went in a buy, then traded below, so we don't care about that anymore. This looks clean as well. So drop, retest, and it's same zone. So we retested this zone and we dropped it again. So this is valid first pullback. Then second, maybe went a bit up, but still valid because it's in this zone. I like it. And this one technically hit a 1 to 3 and it's going for even longer. Again, the move started already, so I don't like to chase the moves. We should have been here like 30 minutes ago before for this. Are we going to sell again? I don't know. It doesn't look like that. What's this? Don't remember this position too. So higher high and again higher high. Yeah, I don't know when I put this position, Euro AD. I definitely don't know when I put it here, but first pullback and second pullback. I would, if the price wouldn't trade straight away below, would I take this trade? I don't know. I'm quite confused right now for this GBPAD because I don't know when I put that sell out there. So first pullback into the zone nicely, then second pullback never happened. We're looking for drop and pullback. This is presenting a B setup out here. So first pullback, second pullback. This would be the trade. Yeah, do I like this one? CAD JPY, I like it. Why do I like it? Above EMA already retraced. We lost the price, but it's okay. So we're gonna take a small risk. CAD JPY. All right, we're gonna put a zero point 0.1. So let's see. Let's analyze again. So we didn't enter. We're about to enter this signal. We are moving it back and rejecting it. So I don't know. Let me. We are so if we would have drive here, okay, and take the trade, but we didn't take the trade here. So at this point, if we didn't take it at this point, and I don't know if it's time to take it now, because we are again traded below the MA. Right? So for me, it's a bit invalid since this point, and I would take a trade, go in a drawdown, go in a break even again, have the sell signals. Yeah, confused with that one. This is moving maybe on a trend. So see this zone, we trade above, retested it. Now we check the next zone. Same here. See this zone, we retested it. Now hopefully trading above. So we mark up this chart. As we could see, had this pullback, had this drop, first pullback, sorry, this drop, first pullback, second drop. I like that the signal was below this zone. I don't like that this was above. That's why I didn't take the trade. But then we go down and retest again, and down and retest again. Never took that trade, never will take. Waiting for new structure. It's above, it's above, it's above, I don't care. Silver. Silver, I think, was a much easier trade. See, this drop, first pullback, second pullback. Here there should have been a smaller trade, already a 1-to-1. I don't like to target more, like to leave profits, but that's it. And Bitcoin, the coin with a bit, we have our forced pullback here into the zone, second pullback above, same like gold. I didn't like this, wanted it more clear. Back to this. Okay, we have our first pullback into the zone. Now we're gonna do our second pullback. Look, first pullback inside the zone. Now we're gonna check this other zone. Again, first pullback here quite nicely. This is very choppy. Very choppy. AUD USD is trending already as well. And we have our first pullback here, a double A, an A plus. And now we want to trade it above and have another signal. USD CAD is trading some more. So the trade was fine. USD Chef. Would I take this as first or second? This is first pullback. These are outside. I don't like it. First pullback, second zone. This other support. We want to drop through it and come back. What are we doing now? Are we rejecting this one? It's a bit above already the price. So if it's above, it's same technically structure. You never broke. NZD USD. First pullback in the top zone. Now we want another pullback around this zone. Let's see if we get a signal. Let's open always this, and so for this one, the higher time frame, as we said, it's in a buy. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is looking to break some older highs, but is rejecting or was rejected here and broke the high. So we are going up definitely. So here we have the second. See, A plus, NZD USD, and ZD USD, and ZD USD, and we have the buy. So the spreads took us a bit up, but it's okay. So first pullback and second pullback above this zone. So I like this one. The stop loss is, let me not mistaken, but the one below the first zone. So is it here? Why is the risk so low? $3. The trade I like it, but the risk is low. I've used to trade gold on a higher time frame, and when I go back to forex on a lower time frame, the risk is so small, and I don't know what's the lot size I should use. So I think double or triple should be at most. And if I take another position, then I have here a $6 risk, and if I get another position, then I will get a $9 to $10 risk, and we're gonna keep it like that, $10 to $20. Now, now it's $10, and we're gonna keep it like that, $10, because it's our first trade, and we need our mentality to go good. Okay, so we have our stop losses. I think the stop loss is quite low, so I'm not gonna be bothered. We're gonna look at something else. The risk is low, so I don't have to look at it. If I lose my $10, I'm okay. I'm gonna take the lesson. We're waiting for a first pullback here. Still sideways. The sell looks nice still. Euro UD is above. I don't like it. We traded below. Let's respect this zone at least. What do we have here? A potential buy, pullback. Yeah, here it is. It is. It is a buy. It is a buy. But we never took it, but we're gonna leave it here like this because I'm sure it's a buy now. So this one is gonna play. So we retested this one, but this is above, so we don't like it as first pullback. Yeah, we like more this trade because this was quite. This one was here. We retested. We drop from here, here, retested here, go down, and had the structure. So this structure I liked it more, and it was easy stop loss. Yeah, but we never took that trade, so that's for another time. What's here? What's here? What's here? So we went in an uptrend, and now we're back on a downtrend. So I don't know. I don't fuck with you, a little stupid ass bitch. I am fucking with you. I don't know what's here. We'll go back to Euro USD. So we're back on a sell. We retested this zone, so we never dropped from it. We are in same move. So if we're looking for a sell, now we're retesting this zone. Well, we want to retest this zone. So to be a drop, pullback, a drop. But still, this pullback is way too up. I don't like it. Nothing happens here. Let's go 1 second to gold. Gold is dropping. So see, it respects the zone, but it's up and no signal. So shit. Okay, I think we found a bottom, and now we want to see if we trade above here. No first pullback yet. Bitcoin, Bitcoin dropping. Bitcoin dropping. We retested this zone, so we are basically sideways. We do not care for Bitcoin. Back to Forex. Overweight. GBP USD. GJ. Nobody trades GJ in this community, and I know. I think I know why. It's so fucking look. So I was not awake. So this trades a bit earlier than usual. So 4:30. 4:30 we had this amazing trade, but we traded above here. So I don't like this as second pullback, but I like this as first pullback, and then I like this as second pullback. A little bit extended zone, so I'm taking half the risk here, and yeah, it trades in a few seconds a lot. Fewer trades, but very very fast and very straight to profit. First pullback, still traded below, never went below this zone. We need up. USD CAD. See here, I think you can consider it as if this is first pullback, then this is second pullback. Yeah, yeah, we lost this trade as well. We're late. I don't care for that. We're gonna catch it later. This is catastrophe trade, as you can see. It's catastrophic. It's good. We had a good risk, so we're gonna protect it the last time here, and that's it. This is the low that we started, so this is the take profit, the stop loss. So far, we're going negative. Let's check if higher time frame maybe is not with us. I'm gonna go for a bigger stop loss, and this is the last one. So 15 bucks, because I like this support here and this rejection. So we're gonna place our stop loss below, and yeah, just see if we're gonna have some fun, right? So still this support is protected. Technically, this should have been my stop loss, but it's first day in the morning, and I'm technically looking to, I think, protect myself. I don't know why I'm protecting myself at first, because I just started. So I should protect myself after wins. But I'm barely in the community for a few days, so I'm still learning my tools. And one of the tools that I'm learning is the stop loss. Many trades are in good position, but with a bad stop loss, you're gonna be stopped out. So this stop loss was, maybe spread could have stopped me out already. So that's why I said lower risk, and then I was able to put it a bit down from 10 to 15 bucks, and my capital, that's exactly the same thing. So I don't care. So price move up, price gives us a good rejection. This means we retested this zone, so we can go back for this support. That there was actually a good one, and now we have around $2 to $3 each. So now we lower the risk to $12. So the take profit, if we're gonna close 90%, that's two trades. No, that's actually 60%. 90% would be another trade. Yes, I will take it now. So I have another trade. So when I close 90%, this is new for me again. Don't know how to do it properly. But when I close 90%, I'm gonna close three of them. And three of them, I have to close it at $3 to $4. Let's keep it at four. Yeah. So basically, this is my take profit 1 to 1 or 1 to 1 ish. And one take profit, I'm gonna keep it for longer. Yeah, we're back in the game with this trade. We're not gonna look at it now. We're gonna see what the market does elsewhere. Is this the first pullback? Not yet. This one retested, but now we went above, but we went below after, so I don't care for this one. GP cat going down, AD. See, so what's the only problem with this trade? I like this pullback. I like this as a second pullback. It's the zone up. We are trending up, but the higher time frame, see, the higher time frame doesn't align with the trade. So before we take the trade, we must know that the higher time frame is aligned as well, because the higher time frame was in a big, massive downtrend since yesterday. Sorry, 9 of May. So, and yeah, we were on a small pullback, but since 4 o'clock we were on a downtrend. Now this is five. Now it's 5:15. 5:15, and we already rejected this signal. See this signal, and we rejected it. Traded below. Yeah. So that's why that signal was not proper. GPAD maybe in same position. This one hit 1%, not yet. What's happening here? Nothing much. So we had the first pullback inside. I don't like it to take it because it was more up. But if we get another one around here, what is high time frame telling us? So the 5 minute is selling, the 1 hour is selling already, almost breaking the lows to form new lower low. So higher time frame is selling. So because this is inside the the trend, we're gonna consider it as first pullback, and we need the second pullback. So see here, we went in a range for a while. This is the first pullback. We went in a range. I don't care for the range. I'm looking for the next zone. So I want my next signal to come around here. I'm out of water. Let's watch a bit because see we traded below for a while and now we're trading above again. So this is maybe a good zone, equal lows as well. So once we go below and pull back and retest and mogwai sell, then we're gonna take it, but not now. The catastrophic trade is still catastrophic. What should we consider now? We have another signal, so that's good, but we traded below. That's not good. But then we are we trading it above? Yeah. So what we're doing an internal. But yeah, at this point it looks so not nice. And I'm just I'm just look at it, see how it goes. What were some trades? Duck, duck, duck. What happened here? So we rejected here. Oh, I don't like this trade at this point. One bit. I don't like it one bit. I don't know if I should spare some bucks. Nah, but at this rejection, I don't like it anymore. Yeah, we're out. We're going out. Yeah, 15 bucks down the drain. Let's see if what we could have done better. So basically, my mistake technically was so we traded above here, but the signal made a new low. So this is a no-no. Maybe this I don't like anymore. If after we trade above, the next signal is a bit below this, then it's a bad one. So yeah, we learn from our mistakes. Fourth day in the community, and even if it's an A plus, see the structure changed. So we don't buy that anymore, right? Cool. Let's see next. Yeah, so we had a few trades here with the Canadians. This was a good one. We didn't catch it. What can we do? Can we do something? No, we cannot. We can only wait for the next one. Ah, metals, silver, not silver, it's still in this range. But did we reject this one? This means first, first pull back down. Nah, nah. And Jah provide the bread. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? So market's choppy. Market's choppy. Maybe it's too early. Maybe it's too early. Maybe wake up a little bit too late for some pairs, but too early for some others. Again, why would I take this trade? Because it's first. So the day is young. People did not wake up yet. We didn't make no money yet, but we're training. And the more morning wake ups we're gonna have, the more morning training, the more morning markups, and the more morning money. So yeah, we stick to the process. We improve. If the structure goes below, we get the second signal. We know for a fact we're not gonna take it anymore. I knew that, but I rushed it. I definitely rushed it. I tested that. I've seen that when it goes lower, I don't like the signal. But this is like the most recent back testing I'm doing, and it's hard to remember it all. I'm not doing any notes written, but that's why I'm doing this live. Technically, uh, I hope that somebody will watch it eventually. But right now, I'm doing it for myself. When I go to sleep, instead of having a movie or a TV series to go to sleep with, I would put myself talking about the market, what I talked all day about the market. So yeah, that's my intention. Okay, so we are trading down. GBP is trading down, but it's choppy, very choppy. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oopsie. See, is this retesting this zone right now? And rejected it already. Think fast, Andre. Is it this a downtrend? No, I don't like it. It's first pullback at at worst, and I'm gonna monitor the second zone. USD cap trading down. So let's check the hour. What time it started? 6. Sorry, 14 May. It's same time. Okay, so 5:20. Now it's what? No, it's 4:20. So on 1 hour 1 hour ago. So I woke up maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes late. If I would have seen this one and monitored maybe after this three signals, I would consider it. But here, I wouldn't consider it again, although it was going for some another 1 to 1. So yeah, no problem. We're gonna watch it now and eventually catch it tomorrow. Okay, this has a clean structure inside the EMA. with a sell out here from this drop. So this is our first pullback. Euro JPY. Let's monitor. Let's have it on the symbols as well. Euro JPY. Okay. All right. Need the fan going. Too much smoke in the room. So, okay, let's actually look at this zone now because we're retracing right now. If we're gonna give a Mogwai sell, then it's a really clean setup, and I'm gonna love it, and I'm gonna risk it a lot. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, JPY. Come on, Japanese. I just read today that um, the first, like Indonesia uh, has started like a bullet train in their country just now, and in Japan, basically the same bullet train, 600, 300 kilometers per hour, is inaugurated like maybe 60 years ago, in 64. So yeah, I don't know Romania. I'm in Netherlands right now. I'm Romanian, but my countries that I visited, even England, don't have this high speed trains. Here we had wars, we had many things. They maybe they had it in Japan as well, but oh god. So we never had a signal. Maybe on the seconds, yes. On the 1 seconds we could have caught it. But yeah, I don't know why I didn't look at 1 second. We were talking about Japan. So yeah, but the structure was so clear. Drop inside the EMA, A plus signal coming down, pull back, signal. We go again. I'm not gonna rush it. We never rush trades. If we lose it, we lose it. But it was like a wonderful one. But I was not ready to go on a 1 second. I don't know. I'm quite confused if I should look. Whoa, already. No, no, no. Let's put it this one. It's already a 1 to 1. Yeah, few seconds, few seconds. That was woo. But my issue with this, uh, yeah, I was not expecting to have to look at 1 second. I'm a bit scared because I moved from a swing mostly type of trading, so I was used to put the positions and just forget about them for days with a big stop loss. And right now with a smaller stop loss and 1 second, oh, um, I'm so I'm so scared. Obviously, I'm a little bit. I have my risk tolerance is quite high, so I'm not scared to to place trades, especially these good ones. I noticed this would play, but yeah, I didn't knew I have to watch this at 1 second. Okay, let's see if we get another one below this one. Yeah. Let's watch the 1 second now. Yeah, and we got it. We got it. Should we take it? Should we take it? It's late. It's late. Should we take it? Let's take just a small one. But obviously, we're gonna keep the stop loss here, maybe at most. If it goes back, shouldn't go more than that. Okay. What is the 5 minutes telling us? Yeah, we actually made the new lower low. So let's go 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Maybe this is the zone. This is the last rejection. So, and this is the last low, but that's lower than the EMA. So we're gonna expect it to be just around here, above the EMA. Yeah, it's a useless trade because we missed it. But uh, yeah. Anyways, anyways, let's mark up the charts again. So this is how a perfect trade would basically look like. I'm glad we caught it, and we caught it fast, if enough. Even if we didn't got it good, but still we had the idea that it's a good trade because here was above, but here went below and retested perfectly this low. I liked it. Then the second one here on the 1 second, even it's a small gap. I like these gaps. Daniel told me yesterday, and yeah, on the 1 second here, perfect trade with a perfect stop loss. Only how many pips? 3 pips. 3 pips drop stop loss. That's crazy. Already like a 7 pip take profit. So see, again we rejected this area. So maybe we are going down. You never know. The spread doesn't want to give us money yet, but now it should easily adapt to the idea that we are in profit. I guess he has a. All right. Thank you, my friend. Finally. Finally, you adjust yourself. See, spreads are crazy. You should look at them always. But, anyways, let's see something else. I don't like that trade. It's small, anyways. Euro double A. So, dropped and double A here. Okay. Delete this. Delete these. So, technically, for this, we need to see if this is a first pullback because the drop is nice, but no 1 second. Give me five. Oh, give me five. Okay, so first drop and first pullback are here, right? Now we need another drop and another pullback. USD JPY, no signal. Okay. Did it look the same like this? No, this one looks better. So we are still rejecting this zone, are we? Or we did already? Yeah, we rejected it. Another signal. This is on the 5 seconds. So basically now we have an entry as well. This might be a good entry. Uh, the stop loss should not be so further away. Should be just like here. And yeah, we are again not using a lot of risk just to get our confidence up. So the more trades we win, the more we're gonna know we know what we're talking about. So until then, we're gonna take lower. But I guess until the end of the day, we're gonna take some big risks as well. So I know myself. Oopsie, it's spreading. It's I don't like it anymore. Yeah, at this point, it's gapping. It's gapping. So I don't like gaps. Yeah, finish, finish. Yeah, so it was a late one. See, so we still didn't manage to put money in the bank, but we caught the trade here. We wanted the re-entry, and we've seen that the re-entry went bust. So finish, finish. Next one. Is it finished? I'm still curious. Our stop loss was set around here. So yeah, it's not finished. In this case, I'm not used with the 5 second charts. It's so fast and a lot of things happen. So yeah, but still, I'm not gonna re-enter. But no, it's a good decision because now we this resistance we traded it above and retested it, and now we go up. So yeah, let's see Goldie. So I think we found a bottom. Woo! This is like a child's game, whatever. So this is very sideways, but we are looking to find a bottom as well. So this one, what time was it? 4:30. 4:30. Now I know 4. So I have to be wake up at 4 now. We'll do that as well. We're gonna wake up at 4 every day to be here with the markets. Today is a Tuesday. We have in the account 200 left. So we made 350 with Jamie on Monday, and then yesterday we speculated some Bitcoin long trades long trades for some reason. Second time I do that and I lose some money in the past 2 weeks. And yeah, it doesn't matter. It's a still a 40 bucks account to a 200 bucks account. So it's still a 400% increase in 2 days. So we'll take it from here. We're still up. We want to do some more consistency. So let's see what trades we can catch. So now what I realize is that I wake up early but not early enough. The easy trades already happened. So yeah, here's the JPY selling. The 1 second is selling 100%. How is the structure looking? It looks nice. This the first drop, and this the retest. Yeah, it's same trade. What the fuck am I looking? Same trade. Ooh, way much. Same trade, way much different. See, at first I thought USD JPY should be the same as Euro JPY, but no. Now in this case, see, in this case, Euro JPY was better for now. The other one I think drove bigger. Yeah. Anyways, let's organize a bit. Mhm. So technically, we have two bad trades already. Doesn't matter. It's good the risk was low. So okay, what's happening here? What's happening here? We're gonna take some buyer euro, euro UD, euro UD. Let's look again. Structure 2A plus setups. What the fuck? It's one retracement, and then still this low is below this one where we went above and we traded this signal. As this signal above, the signals above, we made a new low. I don't like it again. Let's take the risk. The risk is $3, maybe even lower if we put it here. Mm, yeah. So I see up movement, the signal here, and then the signal more up. So sorry about this, guys. I'm choking myself. Mm, yeah, this is not good.